Hi, today I'm going to build Yoda's Jedi Starfighter, set number 75360. It has 253 pieces. So if that interests you, it's coming up right after this. Star Wars Yoda's Jedi Starfighter, 75360. 253 pieces. Box here. Instruction manual, stickers, and 1, 2, 3 bags. Down here, flip out. I have one big bag and one little bag inside it. Looks like this time being I won't use this one. Alright. Build lady fix first. Hello. So that was my speed build. Not really sure if I'm going to speed it up or if I'm going to do it real time. It was almost about an hour build thing, but we go ahead and put this up here. This is right here. Box is like that. Otherwise, there you go. Better. This is what it looks like. A big, large look of it there. You see Yoda sitting there. Or you see the back. I'm actually doing this as a comparison. So I'm going to compare it to 2017. I'm going from memory, so from what I remember from the other one. All right, uh, shield here, windshield here is different. This one's actually better. The other one was taken from the actual TIE fighters, so they just used a shield from there. This one here is exclusive to the set, I believe. Open it up, you got him in there. Are a few stickers. Another good thing is about our G2 here. The other one only had one stud there. This one has all three, so that way his feet actually connect. And I'm not sure if the middle actually connects or not, but it holds in there a lot better than the original one did. There are quite a few differences. This one also has a little clip for his um, lightsaber. The other one didn't have that. This one is much better from what I've seen from the other one. I've heard complaints about how the other one was too flimsy or built in just all kinds of things. One from from other videos that I had seen. I do not own the other one, it's 2017, I believe. I saw this one. I've been wanting to get it for quite a while, and so I kind of splurged and got it anyway. This one has two shooters. I don't believe the other one had any shooters at all. I'll edit that out if I'm wrong about that. Try to remember everything else. The engines are also different. On the right, the engines were down here on the other 2017 version. There's also two pins, which still shows them here. Little red pins right there that kind of show through there. I'm not sure if that was this one or another one I'm thinking of, but that's kind of the only real flaw. Those right there. You can see the little red pins sitting there. But the build itself, it's really a fun build actually. It was very easy, very quick to build. Like I said, it took me about an hour. The angles on here, there's a lot of angles that are built on here. This is put on with a couple pins and clips to make these angles. The angles here are made with clips and pins also on both sides. You actually build one, it's kind of repetitious on the wings here. Um, the instruction says you make them twice. Technically, you're doing it four times. Because you do one side, and then you do the other side, put that together, and then you start on the other one. They're talking about each wing being twice, but the halves are exactly the same. One's in reverse on each side. So technically, you're actually doing it four times. But I really like it. It's nice and light, playable, easy. I don't know if I'm going to hang it up or not. I forget how I'm going to hang it up. I would have to go around the wings here, keep it balanced, or even maybe off this clip right here. It might take that up. Then you get Yoda out, you flip that up, this forward, and he just stands in there. He's actually a child minifig. That reminds me, the minifigs are exactly the same as the 2017 version. Mostly for Yoda, he's exactly the same. There's some very minor details you may not notice. He's exactly the same. As far as R2, he's pretty much the same except for one thing. Let me close this up first, and that is he's got back print there. The other one did not have that. So that's the only difference on that one. I bought this one mostly for the minifigs. I had an R2D2. He was chewed up by a dog when I bought somebody. I wanted to have another R2D2, so it's kind of readily available. I want to use it for that one. My X-wing. I actually made that one with bricks because the pieces were all messed up really bad on R2D2. But yeah, the lasers are sitting here, stick up pretty far, but it's a very good build. A lot of the system plates, things like that. Two angles here. Stickers are fairly easy to place on there. And it's kind of small, but not real small. I mean, you can see the size of my hand here. I have pretty big hands, but still, it's an average size, and it sells for, I believe, it's $34.95 at Walmart, and the original one sold for $19.99. So there's quite a price difference there. I don't know if it's worth $10 extra for between the two, or just the difference in the front windshield here and the R2D2. I do feel it is worth this here, but not by itself. You know, because you can put that on there without losing it or whatever. But other than that, I love it. That's my review. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.